Hobby English Lab.
Welcome back to the Hobby English Lab. I am Mika.
And I am Alex. Good to have you here.
Today I want to try a yoga class.
Calm music, deep breathing, and one moment when your body says absolutely not.
That is exactly what I am afraid of.
Beginner yoga is friendly, usually.
Usually,
The teacher is friendly. Your hamstrings may have a different opinion.
my flexibility is still in the planning stage.
That is a beautiful phrase.
I also worry about where to sit. Front row feels serious. Back row feels safe.
The back row is where beginners quietly negotiate with gravity.
Have you done yoga?
Yes. Once I got stuck in a stretch and pretended I was meditating.
Were you relaxed?
No, I was waiting for my leg to forgive me.
Today we need gentle English for a beginner class.
Yes. Asking about mats, saying you are not flexible, and asking the teacher to go slowly.
Please go slowly already sounds useful for my whole life.
Same.
Hi, is this class for beginners?
Yes, it is. Welcome.
Great. Do I need to bring a mat?
We have mats here so you can use one.
Thank you. I am not very flexible.
That is okay. Please listen to your body.
I will try.
We will start with easy breathing.
Okay, where should I sit?
You can sit near the front if you want to see clearly.
Good idea.
Now, put your hands on your knees.
Like this.
Yes, good.
Can you show me again?
Of course, watch slowly.
Thanks. Please go slowly.
No problem. This is a beginner class.
Is this class for beginners? Is a safe first question.
Yes, it protects you from walking into an advanced class by accident.
Imagine opening the door and everyone is upside down.
And you are holding a water bottle thinking, I have made a mistake.
That is a scary scene.
Very cinematic.
Do I need to bring a mat? Is practical.
You can use do I need to bring to for many activities. Do I need to bring a towel? Do I need to bring water? Do I need to bring shoes?
Do I need to bring courage?
For the first class, yes, small courage.
I like that. Small courage is enough.
The sentence, I am not very flexible, is honest and useful.
It tells the teacher, please do not expect me to fold like paper.
Exactly. You can also say, I am new to yoga. I have never done this before. I may need help.
Those are good beginner sentences.
Beginners sometimes try to hide being beginners.
But hiding makes things harder.
Yes. If the teacher knows, the teacher can help.
Tell me more about the stretch where you got stuck.
I was sitting on the mat. The teacher said, slowly lean forward.
Okay,
I leaned forward about 3 centimeters.
very slowly.
Then my body said, this is the border.
The border.
Yes, no passport, no entry.
So you meditated there.
I respected the border.
Can you show me again? Is useful in any class.
Cooking, pottery, yoga, dance, guitar, even board games.
And please go slowly. This is my favorite.
It is a kind sentence. It does not say, I do not understand. It says, help me follow you.
Please go slowly with the instructions.
Please go slowly with the rules.
Please go slowly with Monday.
Monday rarely listens.
Let us try the pattern.
Is this class for beginners?
Do I need to bring a mat?
Can you show me again?
Please go slowly.
That is a full beginner survival kit.
Hi, is this class for beginners?
Yes, it is. Welcome.
Great. Do I need to bring a mat?
We have mats here so you can use one.
Thank you. I am not very flexible.
That is okay. Please listen to your body.
I will try.
We will start with easy breathing.
Okay, where should I sit?
You can sit near the front if you want to see clearly.
Good idea.
Now put your hands on your knees.
Like this.
Yes, good.
Can you show me again?
Of course. Watch slowly.
Thanks. Please go slowly.
No problem. This is a beginner class.
Today we practiced English for a beginner yoga class.
Try saying, please go slowly. It is simple and kind.
And remember, being a beginner is allowed.
Especially when your hamstrings are negotiating.
Thanks for listening and see you next time.